Governor Thomas Hutchinson ruled Massachusetts for the Crown, enforcing British taxes and cracking down on colonial resistance. Seen as loyal to London over Boston, his policies and secret letters angered patriots, making him one of the most hated royal officials in revolutionary Boston. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Thomas Hutchinson was born in Boston, wealthy, educated, and deeply loyal to the British Crown, and rose steadily through colonial government to become Royal Governor of Massachusetts, believing that order flowed from Parliament, not protest. As tensions grew, he supported British taxes and enforcement measures meant to tighten control over the colonies, a stance that made him a lightning rod for public anger. Colonists came to see him as a symbol of tyranny. Mobs ransacked his home, and his private letters urging harsher rule, once exposed, ignited widespread outrage. Protected by British troops but stripped of popular trust, Hutchinson governed without legitimacy as resentment hardened into resistance. By 1774, his authority collapsed, and he fled into exile in England. In the end, Hutchinson's efforts to preserve British rule helped prove it could no longer endure, unintentionally pushing Massachusetts, and the colonies, closer to revolution.